Hey everybody, it's Juanita with InMotion, and we're getting ready for August. We're really excited because we've got some new courses lined up for you. In addition to Facebook for Beginners and Microsoft Word, and a webinar we're doing called 15 Must-Have Applications You Can Learn in 15 Minutes, we've got a brand new course called Google World. We call it a new class and a new frontier because so many people only use Google for searching. But it's so much more. And in this class, we're not only going to teach you some search secrets, but we're going to talk about Gmail and some brand new Google applications and more. Now, we want to do things in order. Unlike in the past, we've just taught classes, we want you to follow some key steps. It's important before you start your social media journey that you understand how the puzzle fits together. There is a step 1, which involves learning Google and Google applications. Then we want you to set up your internet cloud, and I'm going to show you that in a few seconds. Step 3 is about learning to blog. It's no longer a choice. You have to blog. You have to define yourself by your expertise, and we're going to show you how to do that. We're teaching blogging 1 and blogging 2 on the same day, so you might want to find out what dates if you do not know how to blog. The last step is your social media journey, and of course everybody wants to start with Facebook. This month, don't worry, we have a Facebook for Beginners. So if you're not familiar with Facebook, start with that class and then move forward. So now let's go to Google. In fact, we're going to open up our Google Chrome browser and start right there. As you can see, I've made it to my Google page. It may look a little different from yours. You may be using the classic home. But in class, we're going to encourage you to do 2 things. 1, use Google Chrome because it's a very fast browser and it's more secure. And we're going to encourage you to set up your iGoogle page, and we're going to teach you how to do this. As you can see, that's where I've landed. And I have created tabs for my life, and not only business, but personal as well. So you can see I've actually set up my social networking tab, and you can see I have Twitter. I can actually write a blog post from here. There's Blogger, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Also, there's my research tab. So instead of having to go to all the places go to the browser for all the places that I usually go, I have set up the most frequently accessed websites that I frequent when I'm doing research. So you can see instead of having to type dictionary.com in my browser, all I've got to do is click right here and I'm instantly taken to dictionary.com. Very slick feature. Google Chrome not only is fast and secure, but it allows you to add extensions. We're going to talk about this in class. Let me show you one of my favorite extensions. I'm going to go to Google Images and type in mountains, and let's go ahead and do a quick search. One of the extensions that I'm going to show you is Cool Iris is what it's called. Of course, all these things are free. I think I mentioned that. If I didn't, I want to make sure you know that a lot of the features and programs in Google will not cost you any money. Okay, so here we are. There are Google Images. I can look at images now in Facebook and also with Google Images. And as you can see, I get sort of a 3D effect. And I have to tell you, I just think that is pretty cool. So as you can see, we're going to learn all these things in Google World. We're going to hopefully open you up to a brand new world with Google. Hope to see you in class, and thanks for watching.